Boom, boom. Let's make a beautiful twisted hair look. I have to say these are one of the easiest hairstyles to make. One of my favorites as well. But they are easy if you have prepped the hair. It has to be voluminous, so to say. It has to have a texture. If I make a voluminous hairstyle, I will prep the hair as shown in my 90s inspired voluminous hairstyle tutorial. You can check the description bar for the link. But here I started by separating out the front pieces. Make sure before you do start with twisting that you do check with your model or yourself what area and amount of hair looks the best for you. Then let's get twisting. Hair I directed 35 degrees like you would gather it in a high ponytail. Then you twist it so you get a clean look. Claw clip is placed in a diagonal from the eyebrows. The hair that has been left on the top can be twisted in a loose bun, and I do secure it here with the hair crew pins. These pins are everything for updos. From pieces I curl directing away from the face. This way it gives a more youthful look. I always make sure that the roots to this section are flattened out. Dyson barrels are a great tool for that. Pay attention to the arrow where it goes from the root, or so to say, pointing to the area where you will move the barrel. Once I have achieved the look I like to distress it a little bit, taking the baby hairs out with the help of this Jaguar brush and rubbing the hairstyle slightly to make it a bit more matted looking. Yes, I like a texturized yet sleek hairstyle. And that's about it. Do not forget to set it in place with hairspray and some shimmer. I like to say this is the date night hair to a fancy restaurant. What do you think? What are your thoughts? And leave a comment down below. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials and hair tips and wig styling. And I'll see you soon. Ciao.